A man at the center of this viral Facebook post accusing him of pulling down a woman's top at Gasparilla is now going above and beyond to show that this is all a case of mistaken identity.
For more on this, we go to ABC Action News anchor Jasmine Stiles joining us live from the Tampa Police Department. And Jasmine, what are officers there doing to work on this case?
Investigators are now taking witness statements, and the man accused of all of this has gone ahead and sent in a sworn affidavit and taken a polygraph test. Now, according to the man's attorney, his client has been trying to contact Rena Alvarez since her Facebook post went viral. Alvarez described the ordeal and had photos, including one her friend took of the man walking away after exposing her chest. The man's attorney attached screenshots of the man's Facebook messages with Alvarez, telling her the man pictured has long hair or a wig and a different hat than his. But Alvarez tells us she's positive she has the right guy.
He said it wasn't him. I have no doubt that it was. And the other people that were around me that made statements, they saw him. It was him.